Hello again guys, in this quick video, let's discuss how to go live on TikTok. First, make sure that you are connected to the internet, and once connected, just simply tap your TikTok application to open it. Next, from your screen, you will see a plus symbol located at the bottom part. Just tap this icon, and then you will see here that the camera has been opened. But guys, unfortunately, I don't have a 1,000 followers because you need that number of 1,000 followers for you to be able to go live. But if you have a 1,000 followers, then the go live option will display here at the bottom part when you scroll this option. Okay, there's an option here, live, and then just tap the go live option that you will see on your screen. Okay, that's it guys on how to go live on TikTok. I hope that this video helps you a lot, and keep following and subscribe to this channel for more video tips. Thank you guys.